Start with the Maltese pastizzi. These are traditionally Maltese. You won't find them anywhere else. These are ricotta. There are the ricotta and the peas ones. They're very good. Make sure that when you're in Malta, you taste them. As I told you, it is traditionally Maltese, and you won't find them anywhere else. They're delicious. Even the dough, it's delicious. This is our Maltese rabbit. It's fried rabbit with sauce. Make sure that when you're in Malta, you try it. This is my mother's recipe. In the description, I will make a link. I will put a link. I have a video of how to make it. And as I told you, I will put a link on the description how to make the Maltese rabbit, how we cook it, the traditional way, how my mother used to cook it. So when in Malta, make sure that you taste our Maltese rabbit. This is the Maltese bread. It's very good. I have tasted different types of bread when I traveled, but I never tasted bread as good as ours. And I'm not saying it because it's Maltese, because it's true. Maltese bread is really good. So if you come, make sure to taste it. This is the Timpana. It is made of pasta with meat and sauce, tomato sauce, and it has the dough up here. The dough is filled with pasta, with tomato sauce, meat, an egg, grated cheese, and this is, we call it Timpana, the Timpana. It's traditionally Maltese. It's very good, as you can see, with the dough and pasta inside, and then you bake it. These are the Maltese cheeselets. These are of pepper cheeselets. There are others that are not of cheese, that are not of pepper. They're plain. There are others with other herbs, but this is with pepper. Ġbejna tal-bżar, we say ġbejna tal-bżar in Maltese. Pepper cheeselet is very good too. It's typically Maltese too. This is twisted. This is Maltese too. It's a savory snack. It's very good. It's a savory snack with cheese. You only find it here in Malta. It's pure Maltese. Twisted. So when if you come to Malta, make sure that you try a packet of twisties. This is Skinny. It's a Maltese soft drink. It's very good. It's typically Maltese. You won't find it in any other place. So it's made of orange flavor, aromatic herbs. It's very good. So make sure that if you are in Malta, you try it too.